Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Power BI tutorial, I'll be showing you how to drill down in a line chart, a super handy feature that lets you explore your data at multiple levels, from broad overviews to specific details, all within a single visual. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up a drillable line chart so you can effortlessly move between yearly, quarterly, monthly, and even daily views of your sales or any other metric you're analyzing. If you're just getting started in Power BI, this is one technique you'll come back to again and again. So let's dive right in. First, what exactly is drill down? You can think of it like peeling back the layers of an onion. Suppose you want to see sales over the years, that's your topmost layer, your big picture. But maybe you start wondering how things look quarter by quarter or even month by month. Drill down lets you interactively zoom into finer levels of detail simply by clicking within your chart. For example, you can start with total sales by year, then click to break that down into quarters, then months, and even individual days. This is a powerful way to answer follow-up questions as they pop up and to spot trends that might be hiding behind your summary numbers. Now, before you jump straight into making your chart, there's a crucial first step. Preparing your data. For drill down to work smoothly, you need a proper date table in your data model. Why? Because drill down relies on hierarchy, moving from year to quarter to month, and this hierarchy needs to be defined clearly. Imagine trying to organize your sock drawer. If you do know which socks belong to which color or size, you can't sort them properly. Same thing with dates in Power BI. You can create a date table using the CALENDRAUTO function in DAX, which automatically generates a full range of dates based on your data. Or if you have one handy, you can import a date table that already includes columns for year, quarter, month, and day, like 10/1/2025 Q1 Jan 1. Setting this up might take a few moments, but trust me, it's worth the effort. Once your date table is ready, let's build the line chart itself. Insert a line chart visual onto your Power BI canvas. Next, drag the date field, but make sure to use its hierarchy, not just the raw date, into the axis section of the chart. You'll see a nice little structure appear: year, quarter, month, day. This is what will allow the drill down magic to happen. Then drag your measure, like sales amount, into the values area. Instantly, you'll have a basic line chart showing, for instance, sales trends over the years. If at this point you only see a single level, like just year, don't worry, we're about to unlock the rest. The next step is enabling the drill features on your chart. Take a look at the top right corner of your line chart visual. You'll see 4 little icons, almost like remote control buttons. Each one serves a specific purpose. The single arrow pointing down lets you drill one level deeper, say from year to quarter, so you can get more granular. If you want to climb back up and return to a broader view, the up arrow takes you back a level. There's also a double arrow pointing down. This is expand all down, and it stacks multiple levels of detail together, letting you see year plus quarter plus month all at once. Finally, the forked arrow skips to the next level, which is handy if, for example, you want to go straight from year to month, skipping quarter entirely. Take a moment to play around with these icons. Don't worry if you're not sure which one to use at first. As you experiment, you'll quickly get a feel for how they help you uncover deeper insights. And remember, setting up a drillable line chart isn't just about more data, it's about seeing the story behind the numbers. That's it for today's walkthrough. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more examples. And before you go, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future Power BI tips. Thanks for watching and happy analyzing.